here we have a list of pizza recipes. We have 3 pizza at the moment. So each pizza, for each object here, we have ID, name, and ingredients of the pizza. And this is the same format, right? We have the ID, name, also ingredients. So this one is the second pizza, and finally the third one here. And in the app component, we have shown the pizza recipes. Also, we're looping through the recipes itself, right? So we import it from the data.js. So this is the data, okay? We basically looping through the recipe, and we show the recipe name. So this is what it shows us, okay? We have the pizza recipe, and this is looping through each of the object from the data. And I want to show the list of ingredients underneath each of the title here, okay? So how do I do it? So right here underneath the recipe.name, we want to show the list of ingredients under the pizza name. To show this, you can use an order list, and this will be recipe, okay? It's coming from here. We looping through each one of this, right? So recipe.id, recipe.name. So here recipe.ingredients .map, we are using another map function. So there are 2 map, and this will be ingredient, okay? So without s. And finally, we can just show it in the list. So we're just going to copy this and put the ingredient here, and that's pretty much it. So now let's just save it, have a look, and here you guys can see we are showing a list of recipes, okay? Each one underneath each of the pizza name, okay? We will need to fix the warning here. Each child in the list should have a unique key prompt. So this is very simple, basically the same as this one, right? You can see we are using the key recipe.id, and we can just do the same thing. It will be key, and this is the ingredient, okay? Just like that, and the warning is gone. So that's how you render nested list inside a single component by using 2 map functions.